Hey guys, Crypto Mike here with the mic check 1212. Is this thing on? If you enjoy my content, please hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and the notification bell. A lot of times they don't suggest my video due to some of the content that I provide you. A lot of it is truth, a lot of it they don't like. I'll leave it at that. So hit the notification bell and you will always be the first to hear about the content that I provide. Now, Do It Yourself has put out a great thread on a $28 XRP being a possibility as the next leg up. Now that further gives credibility to my theory that a $22 XRP will be possible by the end of the year. And maybe $171 XRP will be possible by next August. Okay? Now, I'm going to give him credit here where credit's due. Do-it-yourself investing is a very skilled technical analyst. He's been in the market since 2015 or 2016. I forgot. Doesn't say. But 2015 or 2016, I rather enjoy his YouTube channel, and I think you should subscribe if you're interested in technical analysis. Okay, so he's been through the last few bear markets and the last few bull markets. Okay, so he put out a great thread. I'm going to go over it with you, and this is basically tells us how XRP is primed to explode up to $28. So give me a thumbs up, put in the comments section how much you think XRP is going to be, if you think this is possible, and if you don't think this is possible, tell me why not. Give me a good logical reason why this is not possible. Give me a good logical reason, not a BS reason. Give me a good logical reason because I want to hear a logical reason. Anyways, a thread on XRP and why I believe we will hit $28 in this next cycle. XRP has quickly become everyone's favorite coin to hate, which is why I'm taking this as an early sign to accumulate more before the coming explosion. And he gives us this. Okay, this is very similar to, let me show you this picture that I've been showing you guys for quite a few months now. This one. It's very similar to this one. And so when I saw his drawing, I was like, oh, dude, exactly. That's exactly. So he's predicting it's going to do another one of these and go to 22, 28, somewhere around the same kind of gains, about the same. Not exactly the same, but, anywhere in the 20s is a lot of gains. Okay, guys? Okay, he goes on to say, XRP is no stranger to parabolic cycles. In fact, XRP is one of the top performing cryptos and has maintained a top 5 status for the last 6 years in running. Let's take a look at the old cycle and see how it compares to current days in 2019. Okay, and remember, guys, if you know anything about him, he's not an XRP maxi, not at all. He loves Ethereum. He loves all of them, a lot of different coins. He's in Cardano, Bitcoin. He's mostly a Bitcoin guy, but he sees opportunity and he takes it. Okay, same here. I'm not an XRP maximalist, but I see opportunity, and I see XRP being coiled up, and I see a great opportunity right here. Okay, now with that said, I'm not all in on XRP because you never know what could happen. Look, he says spring loaded right here. Taking a look at the old cycle, we can see a similar pattern that continues to play out. After the bottom of our correction, we immediately have a spring-loaded explosion that takes us into the next cycle. Okay? Now, this is back in the old cycle before the 2017 bull run. Okay? This is exactly what is happening right now. Check it out. After the top, we start the long descent back down. we can see here that our bear trend does a great job of holding any bullish attempts of a breakout. It took 4 rejections at resistance before we broke out. Okay, this looks exactly like our chart right now, but this isn't our chart. This is what happened before the big bull run of 2017, guys. This takes us to our next phase in the market cycle, the breakout. Before the breakout, we get early signs of obvious accumulation. Rounded bottom formation below resistance with volume breakouts starting to form. This leads us to our confirmed trend reversal. Okay, this is early 2017. All right, now 2017 we saw immense gains. Okay, between early 2017 and early 2018, there were about 80,000% gains in XRP alone. Something that tends to happen with markets is after the breakout of descending resistance, we have one more sell-off to retest that level, which now acts as support. This is what I call a spring-loaded breakout, which catapults us into price discovery. Okay, so that's kind of what I see is happening right now, guys. This was back in 2017, early 2017. Now, what's going on right now with the price? It's kind of in free fall. It's starting to free fall, guys, and this is exciting because this is kind of what I've been waiting for. Hopefully, this takes us to that support and gives us that spring-loaded recovery. Spring-loaded breakout. Now, this takes us into the current cycle. After the spring-loaded breakout, we go into price discovery. This is roughly exact same as the last cycle, only much larger this time around. Okay, so it took us up. Now we're coming back down. Now we're down. After our top, we start our new bear trend. Okay, this was back in 2018, early 2018. Okay, we started going down. All of 2018, we were down. Okay, all of 2019, we've been down basically. Okay, for almost two whole years, we've been down. You don't go down for that long without a recovery afterwards. Okay, that's what happens unless it's gonna die. Do you see XRP dying? Why would XRP die? Okay, the only reason there's bearish sentiment in the market with traders is because they couldn't make money. Well, swing traders could make money easily, okay? But people who've been hodling, no, they have a really negative attitude because all they've been doing is losing their money, right? But if you see the news cycles that come along, you know what's happening. And if you just look back at the last cycle, you know what's happening. Identical to the last cycle, we get a similar pattern before the breakout. Rounded bottom formation just below descending resistance with volume breakouts occurring. Finally, we get our trend reversal. Okay, we're very close, guys. This takes us to our final phase in the market cycle. This also takes us to current valuation, which is anyone's best guess to where we go next. What I see from a TA perspective is the potential for one more low, maybe 15 cents, maybe 20 cents, before we get our spring-loaded breakout. Doesn't take a genius to know where we're headed. Everyone is so tied down by their emotions that they don't have the patience to see the big trend forming. I have received so much hate for promoting XRP recently, and that's totally fine. Everyone hates money, but I'll take it. He says, I'll take it. That's how I feel, guys. That's how I feel. Okay? So he sees this going to 28. It must be the same percentage. He took the same percentage coming from here, and he put the same up here. Now, the reason I think it might be a little less is because with the market cap so large, it will take a lot more money to give us the same percentage gains. That's the reason I think it might take us to a smaller price, it might take us to less of a percentage gains, but I still think we will see our rocket ship gains. Okay, guys? Now, once again, I want to give total credit, this is not me, but I'm putting this out there for the YouTube people who don't go on Twitter. I want to show you guys, this is do-it-yourself investing, and I totally want you to go follow him on Twitter for this good advice, this good technical analysis, and also I want you to go follow him on YouTube, okay? DIY investing. He puts out really good videos, okay? Really good videos. I've enjoyed every single one of his videos. These are the kind of videos I like to watch, okay? So, you guys, it's just a matter of time. Hodl strong, please make your own decisions. But I'll tell you what I'm doing. I'm not selling XRP. All right, guys? Love you guys. Be good people. Crypto Mike out. Peace.